Understanding, like a broken reed, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we journey through the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into a particularly interesting idiom, like a broken reed. This phrase might sound a bit cryptic at first, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, like a broken reed, refers to someone or something that is unreliable or unable to provide support in times of need. Imagine leaning on a reed, a type of tall, slender grass, by a riverbank for support. But it snaps because it's broken. This visual helps convey the idea of relying on something that ultimately fails to hold up, leaving one in a precarious or vulnerable situation. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The expression, like a broken reed, is believed to have biblical origins, particularly from the Old Testament. It was used to describe something that not only failed to provide support but also could cause injury in its failure, similar to how a broken reed might leave a sharp edge. Now that we know what it means, let's talk about how to use this idiom in everyday conversation or writing. 1. Describing unreliable people or things. You can use it to talk about someone who has let you down. For example, I thought I could count on him during the project, but he turned out to be like a broken reed. 2. In literature or writing. This idiom adds a layer of imagery and emotion when describing characters or situations that are not just unreliable but also potentially harmful because of their unreliability. 3. Expressing personal feelings. It can be a way to express feelings of disappointment or betrayal. Saying, I felt like I was leaning on a broken reed, vividly shares the depth of one's letdown. Let's put our idiom into action with some examples. Relying on his promises is like leaning on a broken reed, it's bound to collapse. In times of crisis, she realized that her fair-weather friends were like broken reeds. This old car is like a broken reed, it's not reliable for long journeys. Understanding and using idioms like a broken reed can enrich your English speaking and writing, adding depth and color to your communication. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression and you feel more confident in weaving it into your English repertoire. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discovery, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.